I'm sitting on the side of a Renew by US Mattress Pleasant Firm. This is probably one of the best edges I've ever sat on. As I sit here, I don't feel I'm crushing it at all. It's comfortable, but I don't feel like I'm compressing the coils at all. So the advantage of that is when I get in and out of bed, it's very stable, which is safer. It's also easier to get in and out of bed because you can stand up by putting your weight forward and pushing on the side. But the real advantage I like of a really good solid edge support is you can sleep closer to the edge without rolling out of bed. That is going to increase the usable sleep surface of the mattress and make it a much more comfortable night's sleep. On my back, I'm very impressed again with this mattress. Now, I do not like a firm or a harder surface of a mattress, but this is actually conforming to my body and making me feel comfortable. I think if you're my body type and you want a harder surface feel, I think you're going to sleep good on this, and I think you'll sink in just a small amount, which will help conform to your body, and you'll probably wake up feeling refreshed with no back pain at all. On my side, again, this mattress continues to impress me. I don't feel any pressure even under my shoulder, and typically on a firm mattress, you're going to feel pressure on your shoulder. This feels fantastic. It's supporting my hips, small of my back, and my shoulder. I actually feel comfortable, and I really don't typically like a harder mattress like this. So if you're my body type, I think you'll sleep comfortable without any pressure on your body as well. Overall, this mattress is impressive. Possibly the best edge support I've ever sat on a mattress. As far as a firm surface feel goes, not my favorite, but I did not feel any pressure under my body, and I felt like I was getting good support all across the small of my back and my hips and my shoulder as well. So if you're my body type, you like a firmer or harder mattress surface, and you're looking for a good support, I think this would be a good choice.
We hope you found this video helpful, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-455-1052. Or you can leave us a message on this video. We'd love to hear from you. Or if you'd like, during normal business hours, you can speak with a member of our chat team.